Forget everything you know about old-school luxury. This isn't just a car, it's a multi-million-dollar rolling mural. This is the hyper-exclusive Rolls-Royce Black Badge Cullinan by Cyril Kongo. Only 5 exist on Earth, and the inside will completely blow your mind. Let's step inside. Step into the Kongoverse. Artist Cyril Kongo spent 6 months at Goodwood hand painting 19 individual wood veneer trim panels. Look up at the iconic Starlight Headliner. It features over 1,300 custom colored fiber optic stars, recreating custom planets and quantum physics equations. The cabin is split into 4 distinct color zones. You get Phoenix red for the driver, turquoise for the passenger, and a mix of yellow and mandarin in the rear. Grip the massive, bespoke leather steering wheel, and you feel like you're piloting a stealth spaceship wrapped in fine art. While it's a canvas for street art, it's packed with apex tech. You get full digital displays, night vision, and seamless smartphone integration. Yes, wireless. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are beautifully baked into this ultra-luxury setup. A standard Black Badge Cullinan clears $450,000 butter, hand-painted, 1 of 5 masterpiece. The price is strictly for elite collectors. My suggestion, if you want to stand out in Monaco or Beverly Hills, this is the ultimate flex. Is this the coolest custom SUV ever made? Or did they go too far with the colors? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.